Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Stomach noises aren't just about hunger. They come from your digestive muscles contracting to move food, liquid, and gas through your intestines, a process called peristalsis. This happens even when your stomach is empty. Sometimes noises get louder because of more muscle activity or gas moving around. So those rumbles don't always mean you're hungry. They're just your gut doing its job.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.